It's weather time, Josh. Temperatures were above average again today.
And Georgie, in fact, Brisbane today hit a top of 29 degrees. That was 6 above average for this time of year. Currently in the city, we're sitting at 22 degrees, the humidity at 55%. But I would like to get back to our national outlook over the next 3 months. This is what we can expect in terms of rain. Average rain for Queensland for most parts of the state due to a neutral to cool Pacific Ocean. Now, I've just been asked the question in the studio, what does this mean for thunderstorm activity as we get towards severe weather season? Well, when you have an El Nino phase, which is the dry phase, you struggle with thunderstorms because you don't get the moisture coming in off the Coral Sea. Everyone thinks La Nina, the big wet, is when you see most thunderstorm activity. That's incorrect. When you have a La Nina, widespread rain, that increases cloud cover across the state and the sun can't get through that cloud to heat the surface during the afternoon, and you need that rising hot air through that afternoon period to really fuel those thunderstorms. So with a neutral phase, you get the combination of moisture plus the heating, and then that allows you to really get a big thunderstorm season, and that's something I'll be watching over the next couple of months. The satellite picture, hardly any cloud in sight at the moment, despite a few showers around the far north tropical coast. The main feature today was the very hot temperatures we saw through the southeast. Nambour, 28 degrees, along with Bow Desert. That is both 6 degrees above average for this time of year. Moving a little bit further north, well, we saw a few light showers, around about a millimetre falling around areas like Bowen, so very, very light. We did have some very hot temperatures in the south. Cunnamulla getting to 31 degrees, 10 above average, and St George Airport getting to 31, which was 9 above average. Here we go, our high pressure system dominating the Tasman Sea, sending in some very gusty northwesterly winds through our southern inland tomorrow. So we've got temperatures in the 30s, relative humidity at 10%, and strong wind gusts over 50 kilometres per hour. That will elevate those fire dangers tomorrow. And when this trough moves through, you're going to get a southwesterly wind change as well, which will complicate the situation if any fires get started. The rainfall outlook, you guessed it, it is dry at the moment. Let's move into the capital city forecast. Melbourne tomorrow, showers and wind. Sydney remaining sunny with a top of 23. Moving into Queensland, fine skies again for most parts. And as I mentioned, those fire dangers will be getting up there tomorrow, especially across areas like the Channel Country and the Maranoa and the Warrego. So take care, especially outside. Let's look at these temperatures through the southeast. Very similar to what we saw during Wednesday afternoon. They will be above average. Moving into the waters, we've got southeasters, 5 to 10 knots, tending northeast during the afternoon and evening. The sea's 0.4 of a metre. Brisbane tomorrow, slightly cooler than today, 27 degrees, fine, partly cloudy. And the outlook looks magnificent, including Sunday, Father's Day, 28 degrees. And Georgie, a pretty good forecast for the birthday girl.
Thank you, Josh.